Dziękujemy. Pora rozpocząć merytoryczną część naszego spotkania. Na scenę zapraszam pana Vlada Winnera, CEO i współzałożyciela firmy Binom Ai z siedzibą w Norwegii, który wygłosi dla państwa wystąpienie inauguracyjne pod hasłem How to create a universal AI employee, how to leave intelligence as a legacy to a family company, ready-made solutions by Binom Ai. Mr. Winner, please join us on the stage. I to jest moment na brawa.
Dziękuję. Just a minute.
Would like to present to you the Binom Ai presentation. Artificial intelligence which helps forecast risks, avoid mistakes, solve problems, creates a new generation of cascade effect dashboards and system to organize processes in crisis management. Company's global mission, due to the unique methodology of Binom Legacy, to create digital copies of professionals worldwide, their thinking, networks, contacts, algorithm of decision-making, life hacks and recommendations. We collectively turn these into AI-driven algorithms applying machine learning rules, with a goal to help mankind avoid repeating mistakes, to save knowledge not as a set of data but as ready solutions, to predict new challenges and prepare for them. Let me show you how the system works on the example of this case. Just enter, quick clay landslide in a city and press, solve it. As you can see, we are using the experience of the respective expert. This expert's artificial intelligence asks for some additional parameters to refine the request. So, let's input the
Okay. Good morning, dear guest. Thank you for having me. I have a honor to be a first speaker in this conference. Thank you a lot. So, organizers of this conference asked me to look at history of AI, and then I will introduce our product, how to make universal AI employee and how to save your intelligence like a legacy for the company or for your family. So, let's look to the history. This is timeline since first mentions about AI from 1943 and to our moment to today, 2023. You can see the basic events and you can see the red box. The red box shows the process and you understand why revolution of AI became possible right now. We can see that price of one request to AI in 1956 was about millions per one request because computer was a big building. And in latest 1990s, the revolution became possible because of GPU processor, because NVIDIA of GeForce company make possible to make parallel processing of data. And now, if in the past one request was only 1 million per one request, then thousands per one request, and now it costs only a few cents. So that's why we can use generative models, every AI, etc. That's why everything happened right now. But let's look at the past. Just maybe 1 year ago, it was a new technology, and I see there are many people here who know what is it. This is algorithms. If you plan the advertising campaign, marketing strategy, business processes, you must do this. This is boring, huge, difficult to understanding documents, but you can do anything without it. But everybody know when this work finished, problem will only start. This is how to look your two-dimension algorithms after everything start. Everything could go wrong. Your customers could ask different things. Your employee could forget about communication process. Customer could comes not from the point that you planned, etc. And you two-dimension algorithms, because everything of us try to understand every process like two-dimension algorithms. But in real life, two-dimension algorithms looks like a huge list of three-dimension spheres. This is the bad news, everything goes like this, but the good news, artificial intelligence with parallel processing data helps to everybody to handle with it, and artificial intelligence doesn't need your help with it. He organizes your processes faster and better. Let's compare the possibilities of AI and human advantages. You could read it. You could agree or disagree with it, but you can see artificial intelligence make all routine functions better, or will do routine functions better than human. We can see and we can look at it like a competition between human and between artificial intelligence, but we can look at it like an possibilities, like an opportunity to us, because we could raise our strong sides, our creativity, our conscience, our searching meaning, because artificial intelligence takes every routine function. So I think these few slides, last few slides, explain some challenges and explain a history about AI, and let me introduce our product and explain how to make your intelligence like a legacy and save it like a legacy for your family and for your company. A little bit about us. We established it 7 years ago in Norway with my friend and partner, Dr. Dag Zeiner Gundersen, with supporting of Inland University and some government structure from Norway. Our goals was to predict the risk and consequences of emergency cases. We start working with emergency cases, 25 standard emergency cases. For example, how to predict the risk or consequences of floods, landslide, toxic catastrophe, terrorist attack, etc., and how to report about it to certain specialists and help them to react not when event happened, but in advance. You can see the center, something goes wrong here. Maybe you could. Something goes wrong with this picture. Just reload page, I think. Okay, I will explain. So you can see the central part. Central part is the screen of situation room. And you can see the scheme of the circles. The color of the circles is the standard type of the risk that we could predict. The size of the circle means weight of the risk or consequences. The percentages inside the circle means possibility of occurrence of this risk or consequences. And the type of the line shows the time of occurrence of this risk or consequences. And the red triangles shows for the specific certain specialist that critical parameter has been changed, and they must react for it in advance. So we worked with it, and it works now. This work led us to need to create a tool how to make digital copies of consciousness, of experience of thousands of professionals. And we create the special tools, our methodology, how to make digital replica of the experience and provide it in form of artificial intelligence to the market. So what we have right now and what we provide right now to the market. In the top left corner, we can see our basic model. Our basic module, Binom Legacy. It makes artificial intelligence based on experience of your knowledge, of your values, of your philosophy, decision-making, networks, and it learns how to use it. And after artificial intelligence is ready, it could perform the roles. For example, Binom seller behave like a seller. It makes sell your services like a real person, like a live person, sell services and goods. The Binom teacher could learn the basic experience of the people in your company and teach your beginner and check their knowledge level. The Binom forecaster could predict the risk and consequences using experience of your professionals, of your experience. The Binom advisor could advise and give an advice in form of ready solutions. If it happens, do this. If it happens, do not do this. If you do this, avoid this mistake. If you can't handle it, these people could help you. For everything, every risk or consequences, advisor gives this advice. And about examples. Examples, imagine you want to create a sell funnel of your goods or just funnel or process of in your company. This is orange column is about old style algorithms developing. So everybody who did this know it takes from 1 to 12 months to create everything, what will be do next, what we will do if this, what we will not do if this, etc., etc. After this, you must create in the content what we will do with these customers, what we will do with multi-language model, etc., etc. It takes about 1 year to create everything. And after, you must control every point in this process and this boring and hard work, and you must do it every day and control everything. But our blue column, what artificial intelligence suggests to do? Just upload all data that you have, your letters, your documents, your presentations, your text documents about everything. Upload your price list or contracts or everything about it, and our algorithm inside the Binom seller model could process the data, and it will know everything, how to sell, how to solve each problem of the customers, how to ask, how to provide information, etc., etc. And we can compare in 12 months and 3 hours. About the Binom seller, we could show how it works now in the market. Could you please turn on this video? It's just 1 minute. Click.
Module Binom Seller is a talking shelf based on the Binom neural network. It doesn't require lengthy preparations, it just needs product descriptions and price lists to draw conclusions about what needs to be clarified and suggested to the buyer for a successful sale. It learns from the experience of successful sales on its own. So, each product has its own seller. Place a QR code on the packaging or price tag of the product or integrate the talk button into the online store. After following this link, the buyer can discuss the product with AI as if talking to a specialist from this particular brand.
So I don't have so much time, so you can see that very soon every box in the market, every box in the pharmacy will help personal consultant who will explain everything about every black box and etc. Here you can see the QR code. This is our customer who use our tools. You could talk with this artificial intelligence seller, and he will explain everything about it. He looks like a real person, but this is artificial intelligence. This is the Einar Gundersen legacy. This is our third example. It works like, this is General Einar Gundersen. He passed a long time ago, but his intelligence replaced by our tools with order of this family, and this family could talk with grandfather, with text communication or video messages. How to get started? 3 points to start everything. We have Binom Legacy workshop. If you want to make artificial intelligence and if you want to produce artificial intelligence of your company and make universal AI employee, you could come and order. We will learn how to make artificial intelligence. This is not difficult, but it needs knowledge. It seems like a race of your child. If you will explain everything correct, your child will be smart. If not, maybe not. So this is a knowledge what we learn. It takes only 6 hours of workshop. If you want to be our partner and provide our service to the market, you can come to workshop, and after you will get a certificate and can help us to provide our services to the market. Or you just write me at the head of the screen. You could write, and this is artificial intelligence seller of our company. You could talk with them. Or you could write me to LinkedIn. I will provide the specialist who will help you to make artificial intelligence for your company. We will be ready to provide this service to you. So I think I managed with the time. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was a little bit interesting to you, and good luck at the conference. Thank you.
Thank you a lot. For me, very big surprise that everybody thinks that AI is ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is AI. The same thing like Xerox one times became like a name, a personal name for the machine, copy machine. Yes, for me, ChatGPT, okay, it's a good program, but this is generative model. Not only ChatGPT is AI, but this is really a surprise for me. Everybody think AI is ChatGPT. That's my congratulations to this company.
Okay. Pan Piotr?
To ja się przyłączę do tych wyprzegłach mówić. Dzięki.
Dobrze, dziękuję panu bardzo. Panie Władimirze?
Yes, but you asked me about risk management. I can give an example. Do you know what is wire? It's a drop with electricity. And in Norway, in the winter, there are many problems with ice on the wire. So one young guy came to one government structure and say, I have an idea. We could send a peak of energy only for 1 microsecond, and wires will be like feel good, and ice comes down. Okay, it's everything okay. This is a good idea. So we asked ChatGPT. ChatGPT said, "Be careful. Electricity is dangerous. Just be careful." Okay, we add to our model some professional guy, and so we add to our model the artificial intelligence of professional guy, and he asked, how many birds you decided to kill? So the case is, this is one case. So be careful, just relax, or please be sure, if you send a huge peak of energy, you will kill the birds that just, I don't know, relax or smoke on the wire. Yes, something like this. So this is the difference between challenges of just language model and real artificial intelligence who understand how to make decision with a professional experience.
Okay. To krótko proszę.
To mi też trochę przypomina jeden z powodów, dlaczego przemysł jest konserwatywny, to co tutaj Artur mówił. Wiele osób w przemyśle mówi,
Tak, ma być wykonane.
Dziękuję. Panie Władimirze, czy chciałby teraz pan się odnieść do tego wątku?
So if you talk about economical module, yes, and the economical result for the end of customer, let's look to example. If we use Binom seller, so the B2B customer don't more need support manager services. Yes, so support manager services will be fire. So the market no need these guys because AI will not do them smarter. So his cost in the market will be cheaper. Many person on the market, so the salary could be lower. So this is about the profit to the end of the customer. For the B2B customer, it's okay because it's real economy, because I don't know, for like a last example, 10 support managers against only 1,000 per month for Binom seller. So for the business, this is okay. For the end of customer, I don't know. I think this is a chance to understood their role and realized own self and do something better, maybe find some profession.
Okej, dziękuję.
dla mnie to nie jest pytanie kiedy,